Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today is a continuation of Drawstring July, and today we are opening the Tasha drawstring in the color Mulberry. This particular purchase does have someone that I can blame for it, and that person is Minnie's Handbags. If you all haven't seen Minnie's Handbags channel, go check it out. She definitely has some beautiful handbags that she shares. And she also just had a birthday over the weekend as well. So be sure to tell her happy birthday month, since it's still her birthday month. But she does have this particular bag in a beautiful jade color. And I believe the other color is coral. And I decided to get the mulberry color. It is a color that I don't have, and this is the sticker label for it. The jade that Minnie has is gorgeous. And I have a Wexford leather bag. This is Wexford leather, by the way. But the one that I have is the Flynn silhouette. So I knew the feel of the leather, but I did not have one in the drawstring. So this is going to be fun to carry in this particular silhouette. This is the bottom of it. So it does have beautiful stitching that goes all the way around the base of the bag. And you see those beautiful feet. Stitching goes up the side as well. The back is just smooth. The Wexford is a very soft, smooth leather. And the front, as you saw, has the metal plate, the gold Dooney&Bourke plate. But in all, this is a beautiful, beautiful silhouette in this particular leather as well. And since it is a Tasha, it does come with, you guessed it, it comes with tassels. Look at those pretty tassels. Definitely have to soften these tassels up over time. And let's open it up. And you can probably tell just from me pulling on the bag kind of how soft it is. Even though it's soft, it still sits up pretty well by itself. So we'll see how it stands up by itself once I take the stuffing out of it. And so since this is a leather bag, it does come with the Dooney dust bag. And here, let's unstuff her. Alright. Let's see. The interior, this one on the front side, it has the two slip pockets, one smaller than the other. And then on the back side, it does not have the Dooney&Bourke leather logo patch. That's usually right along here. But it is down here on the slip pocket. And then the zipper, it's not a full or as long of a zipper that's normally inside, but it is a zipper there in the back with the registration card. So let's see if it stands up well when it's not stuffed. It looks like it does. It's not slouching or anything. And then just to unwrap the signature Tasha strap with the beautiful braided leather. And this color mulberry, to me, it looks like the cranberry color that the Saffiano comes in, as well as the Bordeaux. So I guess the mulberry is the name for this particular color in the Wexford leather. But this is a close-up of the strap. Beautiful stitching. Stitching and braids. So, and I don't believe I showed the tag for it. So in all, I am happy with this purchase. It made its debut on Monday, so it's mulberry on Monday, and it's blamed on Minnie. So that's 3 M's for the same day. So I hope you all like this video. And this particular leather and silhouette. That's the last Monday of Drawstring July. So a couple more days left, and thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next video. As always, have a wonderful day.